Hello, welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you the native days in Ogoni. So in Ogoni, we have five native days in a week, which are Pia, Kana, Ogoni, Ele, Ode, Ale, Bu, Zin, Eli. What this means is Pia, Kana, Ogoni, Ele, Ode, Alebu, Zin, Eli. It means that the people of Ogoni have 5 days that are in a week. It means that the people of Ogoni have 5 days that are in a week. The names of the days in Ogoni are as follows. 1. We have Day Bomb, which is written like this. Day Bomb. We have 2 Demo. We have De Zia, which is written like this. We have number 3 Deko. We have number 3, which is De Son, D-E-E, De Son, S. This is De Son. We have number 4, which is Deko. Ele. This is An. Ele. Dezinha. Demo. So these are the 5 native days in Ogoni. These are the 5 native days in Ogoni. Number 1 is Day Bomb. Number 2 is Dezinha. Number 3 is Day Son. This is spelling of Day Son. While number 4 we have Deko. Ele. This is Ele. And 5 Day Mua. These days are not just ordinary days. All of them have what they symbolize in the week. So in today's video, I'm going to explain all of this to you. So if this is your first time on this channel, I would like you to help me to click on the subscription button to subscribe in a way of promoting, in a way of supporting this channel. Thank you as we proceed. So this Day Bomb is the first day of the week, which is Monday. We have Day Zia, which is the second day of the week, and we have Day Son. We have Day Son, which is the 3rd day of the week, and here we have Day Ko, which is the 4th day of the week. Here we have Day Mua, which is the 5th day of the week. So what is remaining here is Saturday and Sunday, because we have from here Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So it's remaining on a Thursday, it's remaining Saturday and Sunday. That is omitting here. So in our own Ogoni calendar, we have 5 days in a week, not 7 days in the week. This is our own native days of the week. What this means? Let me throw more line on it. Early, early. The meaning of this early, double E-L-I, is called early. Zin early simply mean a week, 1 week. This is zin early. The meaning of early is week. Zin early, that is 1 week. Zin is 1. Zin is 1. 1 is 1. Zin is 1. While early is week. So zin early, which is 1 week. So the people of Ogoni have 5 days in a week. This is the meaning of this. So let me stay through more line on it. Ndate be me koneko me I ere o de alebu zin early. You need the spelling of this sentence. Ndate ndate be me kone be me toge nyo akura o de a o de buzin eli o de buzin eli o de bu zin eli o de bu zin eli. Ndate be me toge nyo nuakura o de buzin eli. It means that my father taught me the 5 days in a week in Ogoni. This is what this means. My father taught me the 5 days, the 5 native days that are in a week. The 5 native days that are in a week. Ndate, my father. Ndate, my father. Be me toge. Taught me. Nuakura. What is Ode, which is 5. Ode, which is 5 days. Ode buzin the 5 days in a week. So this is the meaning of this. So the meaning of zin is 1 week. 5. Ode 5. Ode means 5 days. 5 days. So I hope you are getting it right. Zin early, which is 1 week. Day is 5 days. So for better understanding, zin early equal to 1 week. This is the meaning of zin early, 1 week. Day equal to 5 days. So here let's come back again. We have de bom, de zia, de son, de ko, ele, de moi. This is an. Ele equal to an. Ele. So if they ask you what is ele in Ogoni, E-L-E, ele, what it means is and. So we have deko and de mua. So if you like this video, give it a like and share. Thanks for your time. My name is Peter Minganani, your host today.